Word recognition is the act of seeing a word and recognizing its pronunciation immediately without any conscious effort. So if a student sees a word and they don't sit there and stare at it forever trying to figure out how to sound it out or what it means, they can just see it and immediately know what it means. That is word recognition. So there's several activities you can do with students to get them to better understand words. The first one is to look at a picture and drag letters in the box to spell a word. So if students were given a picture of a dog in a word bank, the instructions would be to spell the word. So D-O-G spells dog. A next one is to list as many words as you can in 30 seconds. So the teacher would set a timer for 30 seconds and just tell students to write down words. It actually won't let me edit on the screen while the timer is going, so I just have an example here of a screenshot of example words that would be correct. The last one here is to have students see pictures and ask them what letter does the picture start with. Okay, so we've got A for apple, J for jellyfish, B for basketball, F for flamingo, D for dog, K for kangaroo, T for turtle, M for music, L for lion, and S for snake.